I create some composition. So I take plane and I increase plane size, and plane size I take 2000 centimeter and height same 2000. Yeah. And guys, copy this plane, press Ctrl C and V, and I change orientation. I take plus XY, actually XZ. Yeah. And up. Yes. Okay. So guys, now second shape, I take torus, this one, and change torus size. Go on here, ring radius, little bit decrease like 150. Yeah. And guys, go on display, select out shading lines, and now I increase segments like this, like 100. And guys, pipe radius little bit increase, like 75 is good. Yeah, right. Okay, same pipe segments increase. Yeah. And now guys, copy this torus, press Ctrl C and V, and go to up and make smaller. So this time ring radius decrease like 100, and pipe radius guys take like 30 is good. Yes, right. So go to down like this, right. Okay, so guys, now I take cylinder and decrease this radius. I take radius like 20. Yeah. And little bit down. Yes, right. Okay, so guys, now I apply tree. So I go on plugin and use forester, this one. And guys, go to tree library. I take this one tree. I like this one. Yes. And guys, go to parameter and make smaller. Yes. Again more, like 0.3. Yes. And go to down. Yeah, right. Okay, so guys, now I change this curve shape, go on trunk parameter and change tree turbulence like this. Yes. Yeah, right. See guys, so guys, now I take one more torus and go to up and make smaller little bit. So go on here, pipe radius I change like minus, actually 30 centimeter, right. And ring radius little bit increase like 225. Yeah, right. Okay, so now guys, I increase segments. Yes, right. Okay, so guys, select this torus and copy and go on here like this and make smaller. Yes, right. Okay, so guys, now I create wire effect. So I use topo wire plugin, this one, and select both torus, this one, and make child with topo wire. Guys, select this topo wire and click on here. Yes. And distance limit check, right. Okay, so guys, I change type. I take B spline and number of count increase. Yes. And now I go on transform and curve change like this. Yeah, and select this one little bit down. Yes, right. And guys, I change this wire count. So that's my point count decrease like this. Simple, right. I take like 30 is good. Yeah. Okay, so guys, I go on generator and thickness check and change thickness, radius decrease like 2. And you can change guys setting, curve setting. So I create key and change size like this. Yes, see guys, that's my wire. And guys, go to here, number of count increase, create smoothness. Yes, right? Okay, see guys, that's my composition, right? Okay, so now guys, I apply material and light. So I go on Octane and guys, save this project. Go to desktop and save, yeah. And I go to Octane and use live viewer window, yeah, and drag and drop on left side and click on here. Yes, right? Okay, so guys, now I change material, this one. That's my standard material, change to Octane, convert material and remove unused material, yes. And guys, go to here, I go on node editor and click on bump map and second one and click on transmission like this. Guys, you can change also color correction. So go on color correction, connect with diffuse and you can change any type of color. This one, you can change brightness, saturation, hue and gamma is dependent your work. So close and yeah, right? Okay, so guys, now I take camera and camera check and camera angle like this. Yes, and guys, also change this my composition size and size I take 1000 and same 1000. Yes, yeah, right? That's my render size, yes, composition. And now guys, I apply texture, JS placement texture. So create new material and guys, I apply JS placement texture. I already create this one, drag and drop on node editor, yes, and displacement connect with input and this input connect with displacement, yes. So guys, displacement, level of detail I take full and amount I take like 20, yes, that's it. So close and apply on plane, first one, yeah, right? And guys, I change UV, so length U50 and 50, yes, right? Okay, so now guys, I also apply light. So I go on object and use Octane daylight, yes, and click on here. That's my sun tag, basic and enable check. And again I go to tag, guys, change time like 23, 0 and 0, yes. See guys, right? That's my sun timing. Guys, you can change anyone, like I take like 5, actually increase like 10, yes, it is also better. I take like 12, it's too much. Guys, I take 23 is good, yeah, right? Okay, so guys, now I apply light, so I take plane and go on here, yeah, and copy. Actually, now I apply material, create new material, and guys, now go on here, emission, and take black body emission and brightness surface check, yeah, and texture, guys, I take RGB spectrum and take blue color, blue, yeah, yes, and apply on plane, this one, yes. And guys, I change plane position, increase like this, yes, right, little bit decrease like 6, 7 is good, and copy, apply on right side, yes, and only change color. Okay, so guys, now I take orange color, yes, right? Okay, all is good. Guys, go on here, camera, and post processing check, and bloom power I take 10 and enable click. Yes, and camera imager, guys, 0.9, gamma same 0.9, and natural response check. Yes, right. Okay, now guys, I also change my settings. So go on Octane setting and GI mode, I take GI diffuse, and specular depth I take 6, 3 and 3 diffuse depth. Yes, and apply on second one. Yeah, excellent, right? Okay, so guys, now I create fans on here. So this time I take like cylinder and cylinder radius 0.2 and take cloner and select this cylinder and start with cloner. Yeah, guys, cloner, use radius and planes I change. Yes, and increase size like this, guys, like 100 centimeter. Yeah, and little bit down. Yes, and guys, again I take torus and torus radius 0.2 same, and ring radius also increase. I take like 100. Yes, and camera uncheck. Yeah. Okay, so guys, I increase segments like this. Yes. Okay, so guys, apply material. So create new material and open, guys, emission. This time I take texture emission and click, and guys, same, I take RGB spectrum and use blue color and take blue color. Yes, and press OK and double surface check. That's my surface brightness. And guys, also change this power. I take like 20. Yeah, apply on this one and torus. So go on camera. Yeah, see guys, right? And guys, copy this torus, go to here. Yeah, yes, see guys, that's my composition. It's really beautiful, right? Okay, so guys, now also apply material, this one, that's my JS displacement texture. Apply on torus, this one, and torus length take like 50 and 50 and same. Yeah, guys, also change projection. I take spherical and 50 and 50 and use spherical, this one, and projection. Yes, and save this image, right? So go on here, guys. Now lock this camera angle, select this camera, and all rotation I take 0 and position 0. Yes, see guys, that's my beautiful composition. And guys, also apply this texture on background. Yes, and background UV change, this one, same 50 and 50. Yeah, right? Okay, so now guys, apply on here. That's my top torus. So select this one, that's my top torus, this one, and copy, apply on here. Yes, that's it guys, right? Okay, so now guys, last one, I take cube and change cube size smaller. Yeah, and guys, go to top view panel, go on here, apply and rotate this my cube and copy, press Ctrl C and V, go on here. Yes, guys, see, I take 2 cubes and apply on same cube texture. Yes, and select both, little bit inner. Yes, right? Okay, Yeah, all is good. And guys, little bit down, go to mid and make smaller. Yes. See guys, that's my composition. It's take little bit time for rendering. That's my heavy particles, right? Okay, so guys, now I show you my final render. See, that's my beautiful final render. And second one, that's my second camera angle. And see, right? Okay, so all is good, right? And now guys, I go on final render setting. So go on here and guys, same GI mode, I take this one, diffuse, and max amp I take 3000. So close and stop this rendering, save, go to here render setting, yes, and render I take Octane render and use all GPU check. So close and render, right? Okay, so guys, I also take some color correction. So go to filter, enable filter, check saturation, I take 20 and contrast 10. And guys, you can also change this brightness. Yes, brightness little bit increase, like 5 and 10 is depending your work. See, right? Okay, so guys, see, that's my final composition is finished. So if you like my video, please share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.